Welcome to this video tutorial. In this video we're gonna have a look of how to add relations using the mate function in SolidWorks. So we're gonna use the mates based on this product here. Select this cylinder, hold Control key, select this hole here. Make them concentric. Select this face, hold Control key, select this face here. Make them coincident. You can access the mate function from here as well. With this way, you don't have to hold the Control key on the keyboard. Select this face. Select this face here as well. Coincident. OK. Select this face and this face here. Coincident as well. Select OK. Select this face and this face here. Coincident. OK. Now let's add the final part. Select this cylindrical face here. Select this face as well and make them concentric. OK. Select this face and this face here. Select OK. Once you finish, you can go and select OK one more time. You can go back on mates. You can see the first feature that you made. This is the last one. You can access this feature, you can edit this feature anytime by clicking and edit feature. Here you can make changes like set a different distance or an angle. You can rotate this component based on your preferences. Now if you want to see the mates based on your parts, you can expand this arrow here on this for this rectangular component. Expand this arrow and go to mates. Here are include all the mates corresponded to this part here. As you can see, they're highlighted in the graphic area. In the next tutorial, we're gonna have a look of how to make tests on this mechanism here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.